So, hello everyone, welcome back to Cyber War Labs, where you get to learn about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and much more. Now, in this session, guys, we are going to learn that how you can book your CH practical exam or you can schedule your CH theory exam. Now, I know, guys, that this is a very basic topic, but still, the people who are new into cybersecurity or they have recently purchased their practical vouchers or the master voucher, they get confused from where to book the exams. Okay, because if you think that, guys, you can just you can just go into your SPN dashboard and you can book your exam, so it is not true, guys. You have to follow or you have to just go through another website. So let me teach you or let me tell you how you can do that, right? So first of all, let me clear you guys, I have already done my CH master exam. Okay, so that's why I'll not be able to follow the same exact process, but whatever I'm gonna show you, it will be more than enough to understand, right? So just take an example. If you want to go for the CH practical, okay, if you want to book your CH practical, guys, so what you have to do, let me just scroll it down, and from here you will get, okay, no matter you purchase the CH version 13 or 12, process or the dashboard look will be same. Okay, so what you have to do, guys, you need to just come over here. Right now you can see I've already showing the completed pass, but if I'll go to the exam section, okay, so from here it's telling me that schedule the exam, launch exam, CH exam status and support. Now if you will be the new user, guys, you will not going to see a dashboard look like this. Once you will click on the launch exam, you have to just scroll it down and you have to just accept the terms and condition, and once you will be done, then you just click on the scheduled exam. And once you will click on the scheduled exam, now here the process begin, guys. You have to just click on the registered. Now this is the process for the practical, not for the theory, guys. Let me clear you again, this is the process for the practical, not for the theory. Once you come to the proctor domain, you have to just give the username, choose the password, go the first name and the last name. Make sure give the same name which you want on the certification, right? Now in the institute name, guys, let me tell you, if you purchase the voucher directly from the EC Council, then give the institute name EC Council. But take example, if you purchase the voucher from the third party, means that accredited, okay, the people who are accredited with the EC Council, or they have purchased the license from the EC Council. So if you are purchasing the voucher from them, so their institute name will be different, like XYZ will be there. So you can just give the institute name, and then you have to just give the email address, then you enter your address, city, time zone, then it's like very basic details. And once you are done with each and everything, click on the confirm and select all the terms and condition, click on registered. You will get a verification link, click on the verification link, and once you will be done, you will get a dashboard where you can just go and schedule your exam. Okay, now let me talk about for the theory. So what you have to do, once you will come here again, then just simply click on the support button. From the support button, guys, you have to just click on the exam. From here you have to just go to the how do I schedule a remote proctoring exam. Once you click on this, simply click on the ACC exam user guide, and once you will do, it will open a PDF guide for you. You have to just scroll it down, and for the theory exam, okay, guys, you have to just go start a registration as a new user. You have to just come over here. Let me just open the link for you only. So you will get a link like this. You have to just simply click on the register button, and from here, guys, what you can do, just give the title, first name, last name, middle name, then username, whatever you want, password, then email address. Make sure, guys, again I'm telling you, use the same email address which you registered while taking the SPN dashboard, or like which from on which email you got your invoice and all that thing. Once you will done, just simply click on the next, and once you will click on the next, guys, so what you will see, you will get an address type. You have to just give your all the address. Then like do you know anyone from EC Council, just say no. Then are you a US veteran, select no. If you are if your family member or in any one of your family members is a military person, then you can just simply click on the yes. So chances are that there that you will get a discount, something like that. Then simply again terms and condition, select their terms and condition. Let me maximize it. Okay, then that's it. Once you will done, you will see a message like that, your registration is with the EC Council or exam is successfully done. Okay, sorry, is not yet complete, because you have to just go on your email. You have to confirm the email to get the activation link. Okay, and once you will done each and everything, then you can book your CH theory exam. So the process is very simple, guys. You just to know which is the correct part to book the exam. So hope you got this video helpful, and if you have still any doubt, you can just come to me, and you can just drop your comment in the comment section, and I'll try to help you out as soon as possible. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. We will meet in the next video with a more informational video. Okay, and one more thing, guys, again I'm telling that if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe these videos and share this video among those people who are facing some issues related to their CH practical exam. because if you come to my channel, you will get a lots of video related to CH practical, CH version 13, like how to practice for the CH engagements, what are the things can become. I'm not teaching, I'm not telling you that whatever I have uploaded, that same thing will come, but it will be more than enough to understand or to get your basics clear. Okay, so we'll meet in another video. That's it for now.